Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope I'm loud enough for you guys to hear me and everything. So in today's video, it's all about the eyes, and I have not did a video like this dedicated to just the eyes in a very long time, and I wanted to give that to you guys today. That, and I wanted to do a little chit chat with you guys to let you guys know what's going on with my channel going forward. So I know you guys love watching me here on YouTube and seeing all the different things and different looks I come up with and stuff like that. But I enjoy doing reviews with you guys. I enjoy trying new products and comparing them with other items I have in my stash. And I want to do more of that. Not just that, I know my niche is beauty, but I want to go outside of that. Not just beauty and skincare, but I want to do like more vlogs, some day in a life videos, more of things that I like the hobbies I do on my days off. It's not YouTube, it's not watching TV, it's not the news. It's sitting down with a cup of coffee or even some tea and reading a book. Not just that, I recently got a new hobby, you guys. I know all of us grew up coloring and stuff like that. You guys, I enjoy coloring. So I am into the adult coloring now. So I will be featuring some of that too on this channel. I want to do more of what I'm about. And I'm not just about beauty. I know some people might say, well, you can have another channel for that. Yes, I can. I did start one, but at the same time, I would like it all on one channel. Y'all, I do work full time. I am a full time mom. I am a full time wife. I just don't have the patience to keep up with multiple channels. So I just came on here to let you guys know what's going to happen going forward. I do love hearing you guys' comments or reading you guys' comments. I will be taking more video requests because you guys are the audience. You guys enjoy my content and I want to give you what you want as well. I hope you guys enjoy the video and the finished look will be at the end. Talk to you later. Bye.